Are your Instagram calls ending by themselves after just a few seconds? You tap call, and suddenly, boom, it disconnects. Don't worry, it's fixable. Let me show you how to solve this auto call ended problem in just a few simple steps. First, if you're using Android, clear the Instagram cache. Go to Settings, tap on Apps, then search for Instagram. Now tap Storage, and then tap Clear Cache. This will remove any temporary glitches or corrupt files that might be causing the call to end instantly. Don't worry, this won't delete your account or chats. Next, make sure Instagram has all the permissions it needs. Go to Permissions and check that microphone, camera, and phone access are all allowed. Without these, your calls may fail automatically. Now, open your Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and tap Update if you see it. Running an outdated app is one of the main reasons for bugs like auto call cut. Keep your app up to date to avoid issues. Now, open your Instagram and check if the calling problem is solved. If it's not fixed yet, don't worry, follow my next step. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Next, go to Settings and Privacy, scroll down and tap on Help. Then select Report a Problem. Now describe the issue. Say something like, calls end automatically after 2 to 3 seconds, and if possible, attach a screenshot. Instagram's team usually responds or fixes the glitch in an upcoming update, typically within 72 hours. Thanks for watching.